Talk about a man who's winning the storm, and not just for himself, but for the whole country. The man who shot Osama bin Laden. This is so amazing to meet you, Robert.
Thank you. It's great to meet you too.
So what did you share on stage with the people at Win the Storm?
Just why we were good, why we were successful, and how you can do the same thing. It's all mindset.
So what has been your experience of Win the Storm? This is your first time here.
Yes, my first time. I love it. No, these are great people. When I came in and saw the trade show, I saw people wearing everything from Gucci shoes to flip-flops, shorts to designer suits. I'm like, I can fit in here. I like this. I can go either way I want. So.
What would be your one piece of advice to give our contractors and our crowd out here at Win the Storm?
One piece of advice is again, get over it. My new motto is we got to claim our mind, front toward enemy. Yeah. Just face it.
Robert, it was such a pleasure to meet you. Yeah, thank you for all that you've done for us. Yeah, true soldier, true American hero.